The passage describes a concept from the book The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, in which he promotes the idea that waking up at 5 a.m. is key to success and productivity. He suggests that people use this early morning time to plan, reflect, and learn through a 20-20-20 structure. The 20-20-20 structure is broken down into 3 pockets of 20 minutes. The first 20 minutes is for movement, such as cardio or weightlifting. This is to get your heart rate up, sweat, and to get your body releasing cortisol immediately upon waking. Morning exercise gets us into the perfect cognitive state. The second pocket is between 5:20 to 5:40, and it is time for reflection or journaling. You can write down what you need to accomplish in the day ahead or journal about anything that is on your mind or troubling you. This time is also good to practice meditation as well. The point of this 20 minutes is to focus and think clearly. The last pocket is between 5:40 to 6 a.m., and it is time for learning. You can read a book, listen to a podcast, or study a topic that interests you. This time is to get your brain kicked up into high gear. The author also stresses that this routine should be tailored to the individual, and that it's essential to get 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night. He also introduces the idea of habit protocol, using the example of the Taj Mahal, which was built by an emperor over 21 years as a symbol of love and commitment, as an example of perseverance and patience in habit formation.